Good afternoon, Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow. Once again, thanks for visiting our website. We hope you find it of interest. Right, this time round, you've probably recognised it already. It's a 2008, this one. Ford Transit 330 short wheelbase, low roof, and I'm sure, as I say, you recognise it in the form of an ex-RAC van. One of the many we've had through our hands recently. These have proved to be phenomenally good sellers. They're priced at the right money, they're in the right condition, they've got the right story, the right background, and they really do, as far as used transits go, they really do tick all the boxes. Ply lined in the rear, these come into us with all the RAC gubbins and storage that they're split in the middle and there's compartments all over, but it's very much for a specific RAC patrolman's job, and I've got to be honest and say that the equipment in the back is of little use to anybody else. Having said that, if you do want one with the sort of decompartmentalised in the back, give us a call and we will have one that hasn't yet had the equipment removed. So, ply line in the back, which has been done by us, which I think for the multitude of uses will be the favourable option. RAC orange, factory colour, painted by the Ford factory when new on the production line in RAC orange, so it's a factory finish, not a respray. And if you're not familiar already, these are one driver vans. The one RAC engineer will get this van from new, from day one, and he will have that van until it comes off contract at the end of term. Steel bulkhead separating the back from the front. A couple of nice additions here. We've got the hand wash, the soap dispenser, the barrier cream dispenser, and we've got the EnviroWash hand wash station there. Fill out the water, turn the tap, empty your water out. Bob's your uncle, you're back on the road with clean hands. So a handy piece of kit, not essential, but I think that's something that day to day you would find very, very handy, certainly for the majority of tradesmen. 2.4 turbo diesel, 100 horsepower. This one's done 102,000 miles. The beauty of these RAC vans is that they come with a full service history. Not just a service history, but a fully broken down service print of everything that's ever been done, and I'll show you that in a second or so. But I think really with these RAC vans it's the condition. Now, do not assume that all RAC vans are as good a condition as this. We cherry pick the very best. I'm 42 years old. My father started the company when I was 9 years old, so some things I know nothing about, but one thing I do know is vans, and I do all the buying for the company. Not all the RAC vans on offer around the UK are as fresh as the ones we have. It's very much down to the individual driver and just how careful he has been. Remote locking via the key there, the logbook there, which you would fully expect, and just our internal paperwork. Right, here is the service print. Now, this is a breakdown of each and every individual mechanical task ever carried out on the van. So whenever a mechanic laid a finger on it, whether it be a filter, tyre, wiper blade, brake disc, brake pad, it's fully exploded here, and that is as close as you're ever going to get to a crystal ball for a van's past life. Starting at 15,000 miles, right through all the mileages, all your services are listed here: brake pads, discs, windscreen wipers, mirror glass, etc. Coming right down here, starting at 64, ending up at 90,000 miles. And this should be the last page. 95 up to 98. Now, what I would say is, at 98,000 miles, which was 3,000 miles ago, it had a full set of brand new tyres. Also on the appraisal report here we have, it confirms that point, and you'll see that all the tyres there are at 9mm, which spells to anybody in the trade, brand new. Right, so just give me a second. Right, now we've got that cleared out the way. Another good indicator on how heavily a van's been used is the upholstery. We've got nice clean upholstery, no loose stitching, no bursts to the edge with people getting in and out. Nice clean machine inside, very, very smart indeed. All our vans go through a rigorous workshop check. This came into stock and the radio was missing, as you clearly see. We will fit a new radio up here. This bracket here would have held like a large kind of iPad type affair, and that by satellite would have given the RAC technician the jobs that are on the go in the area. That's all been removed, been decommissioned. They take the radio out when it's new and put their device in here and put the CD radio up here. We will replace the CD radio. As I say, I do stress it's not been through our workshop yet, and it'll go through the same rigorous check as them all. Right, one more quick fly around of the bodywork before we finish. We're just at the near side rear quarter now. No dents or blemishes there, very nice, straight, crisp and clean as it should be. Near side front wing and door again, right down to the sill area there, it's all as it should be. Swooping across the bonnet, it's the same story. Hopefully you're getting the overall idea of what we're talking about here, what a nice clean van it is. Down the offside front wing, driver's door. Right, and here we are at the offside rear quarter panel, and we're almost finished. And I'll recap as I go around. This one is a 2008 Ford Transit 330 short wheelbase, low roof ex-RAC. The chevrons in the back, incidentally, can easily be removed if you don't want them. 102,000 miles, full service history, and tow bar in the back, clean, fresh, crisp, smart, with the right story. We don't sell dubious, questionable vehicles. Everything we sell has got the right story with it, and that certainly, as an overall package, sells vans for us. So there we go, my name's Barry, thanks for watching, hope that's of interest. As per company policy, I've just got to say that all the vans that we sell are second hand. They've all the first life before we get them, and they may have marks here and there consistent with age and mileage.